Let us proceed to the Fixed Prices tab. The interface contains three panels: Minimum Price, Initial Configuration, and Fixed Prices. Let us begin with the first panel, Minimum Price. In certain cases, it is necessary to set a minimum price, similar to how we previously set a minimum print run or a minimum print area. Let us consider an example. Suppose the optimal price for photo printing is achieved starting from a print run of 20 units. Such an order costs 10 euros. We can set the minimum print run from 20 to several thousand copies. However, there may be a situation where the client doesn't have 20 photos, but only have 5. They still want to print them, but the printing company finds it unprofitable to fulfill such a small order. A conflict of interests arises. In this case, restricting the print run doesn't solve the issue. The client simply doesn't need to print more than 5 photos. The solution is to set a minimum price. Enter the minimum price of 10 euros in this field. Save the settings. Let us check it on the website. As you can see, the order cost can only increase, but it will not fall below the specified minimum price of 10 euros. The client can order any quantity of photos, for example only 5 instead of 20, but will pay the amount equivalent to 20 photos. This satisfies both parties. The client gets the desired quantity and the printing company maintains profitability. Let us remove the minimum price and proceed to the second panel, Initial Configuration. When the user opens the product page, the calculator is displayed with the minimum values. For instance, if the width and height of a flyer start from 50 mm as in our example, then the default values will be 50 mm for both width and height, and a minimum print run of 10. The same applies to options. Let us enable the Paper Type and Lamination options. After refreshing the page, the calculator will automatically select the minimum values: Paper Type at 150 grams and Lamination no. However, in some cases, it is necessary to display specific parameters upon page load. For example, a configuration recommended by the printing company. Let us suppose we want to display a predefined combination: flyer width 210 mm, height 300 mm, print run of 20 units, paper type at 200 grams, and lamination set to yes. With such values, the price is immediately shown to the user. To define these parameters, go back to the settings and click Add Initial Calculator Configuration. In the settings on the right, set the same values we configured in the calculator: width 210, height 300, print run 20, paper type 200, and lamination yes. The price is 4,326. Save the settings. The initial configuration is now saved. Go to the product page and refresh it. As you can see, the specified initial configuration parameters are set. Please note, if you previously set different parameter values in the calculator, simply refreshing the page will not update them. This is due to the address bar. When parameters are changed, their values are added to the URL. To return to the initial calculator configuration, you must either delete the part of the address after the question mark where the parameters are stored, or go back to the previous page and then reopen the product page. Let us enable the Format option, to which we assigned 3 elements: A6, A5, and A4. By default, the website selects the minimum size, A6. If we want the first interaction with the user on the website to start with the A4 size, go to the Initial Configuration, Settings, and select A4 for the format. Save and check on the website. A4 is now the default selected format. Let us delete the initial configuration. Check the website again. All parameters have returned to their minimal values. We will cover the third panel, Fixed Prices, in the next video.